How to enable automatic captions on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck. In today's video, I will simply show you the way as to how you can enable automatic video captions on TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to enable automatic live video captions, it's very simple. First, make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version, because if you've not updated it, this option could likely be missing. And once you've updated TikTok application, now I just want you to go over and then open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, you can basically see that this is how it is going to look like. Now what you have to do is, in order to enable automatic video captions, just tap on the profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, tap on the three horizontal lines from the top right hand side and go to the option called settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, here you want to actually scroll down until you find the option called the display. Once you tap on display over here under the accessibility settings, you can find the option that says always show auto generated captions. Currently it is off, so if you want to turn it on, just make sure it's turned on like that. And you can see it says auto generated captions will always be shown on videos if it is available, because not all the videos has automatic caption support, so make sure that it's also the case. Now once you've done so, just close the TikTok application, relaunch it, and see if that fixes the issue. And now most likely you would have successfully turned on automatic video captions. This is how you can turn on automatic video captions on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.